This is John, take one, soft sticks.
When I first came to interview, literally everyone came up to me and said hi, and we just were able to have a conversation.
The second I met the team, and everyone just kind of meshed together, and everyone had a drive to make this company successful. Our team makes my daily life happy.
It has to come down to the people that I get to work with.
The people.
The people.
The people.
The people.
The people.
I think it's fair to say we have the best people, both working here and as customers.
The blue-collar space is such an awesome place for us to work, and there's so much opportunity there, especially from a technology play.
UpKeep had a vision that I could get behind, but more importantly, it had a plan of how to get there.
We like to see people bring their own ideas to life from inception all the way through implementation.
I think that's what I love about UpKeep is when we have an idea and we want to implement it, something that can make us better or just make our culture better, we do. You know, we don't just say we're going to do it, it's going to happen.
I get to kind of solve challenges and puzzles. How can I solve this problem in a way that helps the most people and helps people get their work done?
So you can really go home every day and know that I had an impact. My work matters today.
The people do genuinely care about the business, about the customer, about delivering the best value out there for the underserved labor, which is huge to get a group of people together that believe in a mission like that.
When I first came in, we were a staff of, I think, 11 people in a co-working space. And over the time of being here, we've 4 times the size that, have our own office space, and have team members around the world.
The thing that's craziest to me is what has stayed the same, honestly. I think we've still got this same fighting spirit, putting fuel on the fire to keep people going here.
And everyone has a strong sense of ownership today, so everyone understands the impact that they're making in their roles, whether it's in the department or company-wide.
At UpKeep, we appreciate the big and small wins. We do shout-outs where we handwrite notes of gratitude to different employees who have impacted our work. The SVP of sales wrote me a note to thank me for helping make the office feel like a welcoming space for everyone, and that just meant a lot to me, and I don't think you can get that type of attention or gratitude at any other company.
I love hearing about our customers and hearing about the new things they're getting to do with our product, the stories about their hometowns and how they're making a difference. So I definitely think the people both at our company and our customers make us the best place to work.